Ever wondered how to make simple greige and weathered would feel like pure, luxurious calm instead of boring beige? Today's tour shows you how restoration hardware, inspired decor can turn quiet neutrals into a rich, textured story that makes every room feel expensive, inviting, and deeply lived in. Sunlight pours across that grand greige linen sofa, wrapping the room in the softest hug you can imagine. Weathered oak tables show their beautiful scars like old friends sharing stories. Every pillow, every vase feels chosen with love, creating this perfect spot where afternoons disappear into cozy conversations and quiet contentment. It's neutral elegance that actually feels lived in and warm. Step into this bedroom and feel your shoulders drop instantly. That tufted greige headboard cradles you like a favorite blanket, while oak nightstands glow with honest patina. Sunlight dances on layered neutrals, turning simple sheets into luxurious nests. Vintage lamps wait patiently for evening stories, and every texture whispers rest. This is where days end wrapped in gentle sophistication. Picture gathering around that massive oak trestle table, sunlight warming every groove in the wood. Greige chairs invite long, lazy dinners with loved ones. The chandelier catches light like captured memories, while neutral ceramics hold your favorite recipes. Sideboards brim with possibility, and pampas sway softly. It's dining that feels like celebration every single night. Sink into this family room sectional and let the world fade away. Greige linen hugs you deep, while the oak console holds treasures from adventures past. Beams overhead tell tales of time, sunlight filtering through to highlight every cozy corner. Throws beg for movie nights, and rugs ground it all in warmth. This space builds memories effortlessly. That entry console greets you like family every time. Weathered oak drawers hide daily chaos with style, mirror reflecting sunlight's golden touch. Greige walls feel endlessly welcoming, baskets ready for whatever life brings. A brass tray catches keys with grace, hydrangeas adding quiet beauty. It's the perfect threshold between world and home sweet home. Bathtub calls your name under that sunlit window, greige tiles glowing softly around you. Oak vanity holds secrets in its grain, bronze fixtures adding vintage sparkle. Towels weight-rolled just so, ladder shelf brimming with spa serenity. Every detail calms the soul. This bathroom turns ordinary moments into pure, restorative bliss. Desk stretches wide under window light, oak surface begging for your best ideas. Greige chair supports long creative hours with plush comfort. Shelves overflow with inspiration, books and ceramics telling your story. Sunlight warms the room's neutral heart, making focus feel easy and natural. Work transforms into joyful flow here. Curl up in that armchair, sunlight spilling over greige linen like morning coffee. Oak table holds your book just right, lamp ready for deeper dives. Throws drape casually, pillows inviting lingering reads. The nook feels like a secret hideaway, textures whispering stories page by page. Reading never felt so perfectly peaceful. Round table in the nook catches every ray, greige benches perfect for Sunday mornings. Oak pedestal stands strong beneath simple pleasures. Linens layer softly, eucalyptus breathing fresh life. Pendant sways gently, cushions begging bare feet. This spot turns breakfast into something almost magical, warm and unhurried. Closet island gleams under skylight. Oak cabinetry organizing life with quiet luxury. Greige bench invites trying on dreams, mirrors reflecting endless possibility. Bronze poles add subtle shine, shelves cradling favorites tenderly. Neutrals make everything feel curated yet approachable. Getting ready becomes a delightful ritual here. Sectional sprawls invitingly in sunroom glow, greige linen soaking up every beam. Oak table centers relaxed gatherings, plants thriving in ceramic homes. Beams frame the sky perfectly, rugs layering soft underfoot. Throws wait for lazy afternoons, baskets hiding extras sweetly. Indoor-outdoor living feels utterly effortless. Vanity floats elegantly, sunlight kissing greige tiles with morning sparkle. Oak frame holds the mirror just right, sconces framing your best self. Towels hang ready for fresh starts, botanicals adding spa whispers. This powder room turns quick stops into moments of grace. Compact luxury at its coziest. Mudroom bench hugs you coming home, greige cushions softening weary days. Oak cubbies swallow shoes with style, hooks grabbing coats mid-swing. Sunlight warms shiplap walls, baskets brimming with outdoor finds. Mirror catches rosy cheeks, rug grounding muddy adventures. Practicality wrapped in heartfelt welcome. Terrace table waits under dappled light, greige chairs ready for sunset stories. Teak weathers beautifully like cherished memories, pergola framing sky theater. Planters overflow with life, rugs defining outdoor rooms softly. Lanterns promise evening magic, pillows inviting lingering laughs. Al fresco living feels like endless summer here. When greige tones, weathered wood, and thoughtful textures work together, your home stops feeling like a showroom and starts feeling like a sanctuary. Take any idea that resonated, layered linens, aged wood, soft neutrals, and let it slowly reshape your rooms into spaces that feel grounding, elegant, and unmistakably yours.